You want to know why no one wants to get into this field, the automotive repair field? I know this video is not getting a lot of views, but let me tell you, I got $10,000 worth of tools. You can say it's not Snap-on, I got you. It's because it's not. I just can't imagine, there's your fake Snap-on in Milwaukee. I like bang for buck, otherwise I just don't understand it. But here's my thing that I don't understand is you work any job, right? The dealership I just left, 47.5 hours a week they wanted you there, and every other Saturday. That is 7.5 hours of overtime you would get at any other job. But as a mechanic, you're getting flat rate. There's great benefits to flat rate. If you know what you're doing, you stick to it. You're 5-10 years into a certain brand, you're going to do great. But it's those first couple of years, you're struggling. But here's the thing. You got 10 grand in tools just before you even make $1. Like, what the heck? This is why no one wants to get in this field. The barrier to entry is too high and the pay's too little.